Hello dear children, welcome back to online class from LPM Public School in Gola Bazar, Gurpur. I am Zainab Mirza of your computer subject teacher. I hope you are good and healthy at your home. Dear children, we have read about the parts of computer in previous video, but that is not completed. Okay, so dear children, we have completed this chapter today. Okay, now you know very well what is a computer. A computer is an electronic machine. Okay, so how many parts of computer here is given in this video. Okay, I will explain in this video how many parts of computer. Okay, we have read about some parts of computer. So dear children, which have left, that just like that today we will complete, okay, this chapter. Now come to the para. Let's start. Everyone take out your book and open chapter 2 and come on the page number 17. Okay, now let's start. Apart from the four main parts, a computer also has some additional parts. Okay, dear children, I have told already about the parts of a computer. A computer has four main parts. Okay, a computer has four main parts, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Okay, all these parts are connected by wires. Let us learn about these parts one by one. Okay, first is monitor. Second is CPU, and monitor is also called a visual display unit. Okay, you learn this full form of video visual display unit. Okay, now CPU. What is the full form of CPU? Central processing unit. Okay, now it controls all the other parts of a computer connected to it. Okay, because that is called brain of computer. Okay, now keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons on it called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Pressing these keys help us to keep words and numbers on a computer. Mouse. Mouse is also help us to point, move and select on object on the monitor. Okay. A computer mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. It is also used to play games and draw pictures on the computer. Okay. Now, nowadays wireless keyboard and mouse are also available in the world. Okay, they are not connected to CPU cabinet through wires. Okay, now apart from the four main parts, a computer also has some additional parts. Okay, these are separately connected to the CPU through wires. Okay, CPU through wires. You can see printer. With that is printer. What is a printer? How can control, how can printer machine to copy. Okay, how can store in a computer. Okay, and how can use printer machine. Okay, so dear children, let's read about the printer machine. A printer is used to print a copy of the information stored in a computer on a sheet of paper. Okay, a printer is used to print a copy of the information stored in a computer on a sheet of paper. It can print both text and pictures. It can print both text and pictures. This printed copy is called a printout or a hard copy. Okay. This printed copy is called a printout or a hard copy. Okay. Now come to the next para. Speakers. That is also parts of a computer that is connected from CPU. Okay. Now, dear children, how do we use speaker and which for? Okay. Now, speakers are used to listen to music, sound, and other sound effects stored in a computer. Okay. Speakers are used to listen to music, sound, and other sound effects stored in a computer. Now, the next, headphones and microphone. Headphones and microphones. Okay. Now, headphones are used when a single person wants to hear the sound or music. Okay. Doesn't want to hear the music, then only one person, headphones are used when wants to hear the sound or music. Okay. They are plugged into the computer through wires or are wireless. Okay. A microphone is used to record different sounds and your voice into a computer. Microphone is used to record different sounds and your voice into a computer. Okay. UPS. UPS. Okay. What is the full form of UPS? Uninterrupted power supply. Okay. The full form of UPS, uninterrupted power supply. Okay. UPS stand for uninterrupted power supply. A UPS keeps a computer running for a short time. Even after a power cut. Okay. A UPS used only only with desktop computers. Okay, a UPS used only a UPS is used only with desktop computers. Okay, now head now hard disk. Whatever you save in a computer it gets automatically stored in its hard disk. Okay, whatever you save in a computer it gets automatically stored in its hard disk. A hard disk is like a small box inside the CPU cabinet. A hard disk can store a large amount of data. Okay, a hard disk can store a large amount of data. Apart from the fixed hard disk, there are hard disks which you can carry around. Such hard disks are called external hard disks. Hard disk. Okay, CD and DVD. CD and DVD. CD, DVD and pen drive. Here is given pictures of pen drive, DVD, CD. Okay, CD, DVD and pen drives are used to store a lot of information. Okay, CD, DVD and pen drive are used to store a lot of information. These devices are also used to transfer data from one computer to another. Okay, these devices are also used to transfer data from one computer to another. These devices are easy to carry due to their small size. Pen drive is a very small device. It is also known as flash drive. Okay, here is given CD, DVD, pen drive. Okay, now dear children, everyone read, learn, practice with the help of your book at your home and also by the help of video. Okay, and learn the difficult meanings from this chapter. Dear children, bye bye, take care, keep watching the video.